Alright, in this video I will demonstrate how to connect CaptR to any GoPro requiring a Bluetooth connection. That will be a GoPro 8, 9, or 10. And in a different video I will demonstrate how to connect CaptR to any GoPro requiring a Wi-Fi connection. So that'll be a GoPro 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 7 Black. So to get started, all you're going to need is your GoPro, the CaptR, and your phone. And first thing you're going to do is go into your GoPro, go to settings, go into connections, ensure that the wireless connection is enabled. Click on connect device, GoPro app. This will start the Bluetooth connection on the GoPro side. CaptR is blinking yellow, indicating that it's waiting for a connection to be established. You can go into your phone. After you've downloaded the GnarLab app, go ahead and open the GnarLab app. This is where you will make the connection. It's checking for an available device to connect to. It just found a CaptR right there. You're gonna scroll down, click connect to CaptR. And now you can add a camera. I don't have a camera added yet, so I'm gonna go ahead, and you've got options here. Heroes 10, Hero 8, and Hero 9 are listed on the top. I'm gonna click Hero 8, click next. I'm gonna go ahead and give my GoPro a name. Just gonna call it GP8. And then since the Bluetooth was enabled on the GoPro, the GnarLab has identified that GoPro here. I'm gonna click that, add cam. It's now available on my screen. Click the camera profile and click connect. It's telling me that a connection has been made and CaptR has lit up green. So now it's been connected. I can start and stop a video. And we just ran through the first operation of CaptR. And now that we've connected it once, you don't have to connect it each time you turn your CaptR off. So if I unplug the battery and plug it back in, it should connect automatically. And there it is. So that is how you connect a CaptR to a GoPro requiring a Bluetooth connection. Thank you.